Hello children, welcome to the GK session. Today's topic is water. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. That is why our earth is called the blue planet. I know you learn it in your EVS chapter. Oceans, rivers, lakes and ponds are some water bodies. Now what is the use of water? All living things need water to live. We need water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing utensils and clothes. And there is many more other uses also. Animals need water for drinking and bathing. Plants need water for preparing their food. So children, there is lots of use of water. Without water we can't live. What is the sources of water? Rain is the main source of water on earth. Some rainwater gets collected on the surface of the earth. This water is called surface water. Rivers, seas, oceans, ponds and lakes are some sources of surface water. See it, we can see this water. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This is called groundwater. We can dig out groundwater from tubes, wells and hand pumps. You can see here pictures of well, hand pump, tube wells. These all are underground water. We can't see it. So how can we drink water? We get drinking water from the taps in our homes. This water can get dirty, so it must be cleaned before we drink it. Drinking water should be filtered or boiled. Boiling kills the germs in water. Drinking water should be stored in clean and covered utensils. Always close the taps when not in use. Do not waste water. Now saving of water. Why saving of water? Because water is precious and now the point of water which we need is very low. So all over the world it is a crisis of water, clean water. We have to save water. Do not throw factory wastes in water. Avoid throwing household waste in water. Do not wash clothes in water bodies. Now children, here chapter number 15 water GK chapter, tick the correct answer. Going to the first option, we should store clean water in, what is the right answer? A pot with no lid, a clean pot with a lid, a dirty pot, open drums. A pot with no lid. If we pour water in a pot with no lid, it will not store, it will blow. A clean pot with a lid. Yes, this is the right answer. We should store clean water in a clean pot with a lid. A dirty pot? Never. Open drums? No, because if you store clean water in open drums, it will be dirty, mosquitoes will be there. So the right answer is B, a clean pot with a lid. Now, number 2, a dash needs water to grow. Plant, paper, doll, stone. I know you know the right answer, plant. Number 3, dash water cannot be used for drinking. Well, sea, hand pumps, filter. From well, hand pump and filter we take water for drink. So sea water is salty. So we can't drink sea water. While brushing our teeth, we should keep the tap running all the time. Keep the tap running for some time. Use the tap only when needed. Never use the tap. What is the right answer? Use the tap only when needed. If you not need, don't run the water all the time. We use water to sweep the floor, make a paper boat, wash utensils, play in the ground. Where we use water? Wash utensils. Now number 6, last. Dash melts and become water. Ice, egg, air, fire. Children, egg can melt and become water? No. Air can? No. Fire can melt and become water? No. So ice melts and become water. So right answer is A, ice. Now the quantity of fresh water on earth is limited. The seas and the oceans have salty water. We should save water. Children, there is one point which is again and again I remind you, save the water. You can save the water during your bath. When you put soap, should not running the tap of water. Use less water during brushing, taking bath. So try to save water and don't throw peppers in flush, so it will take more water. Try to avoid waste, throw waste in the water also. Okay, bye.